Honestly, let's take a break. I mean, not really a break from me, like exactly stop recording for this, like a vlog. I mean, not really necessarily a break from me, like actually uploading videos on YouTube, or maybe actually recording a video like what I'm doing right now. Let's take a break from like reviewing those glow racers and color changers. Let's just, I guess, move on to another topic. I must say, like race and rescue, for example, because my last few reviews on the race and rescue item was, first was on Cal, then followed by Cruz Ramirez, both on their rally race variants. So now we're actually moving on to our very third rally race vehicle, which is none other than Chick Hicks. I was surprisingly enough, they actually completely reused like his image. They completely reused his image from the Cars 3 Chick Hicks, which was released from Thailand like around several years ago. So I don't have that much Chick Hicks, surprisingly, to compare him to. Like, you know, the Cars 3 Chick Hicks with piston cup, which says, I guess, Chick Hicks champion or something, which is the Chick Hicks with rubber tires and without a headset. You know what I mean? Because they actually released the Cars 3 Chick Hicks surprisingly with the headset, and surprisingly enough, he didn't actually whatsoever appear in the film with this headset. Oh dear, mine's a bit dusty though. Okay, um so that's that out of the way. So let's move on to the main review of Chick Hicks. I'm kind of sounding like him, like from the sort of commercial Cars 3 with his partner Natalie Certain. So let's get on first with the packaging. As you can see, Disney Pixar cars. We all know, by the way, he's also one of the former and the cars that we all know and love in the OG original villain from the first Cars film, Radiator Springs Race and Rescue, with carburetor cap mountain over there. Very nice badge. New for 2020. New for 2025. Number 86. Just like any other rally racer, they actually have their numbers here on the sides. Just like similar sort of thing maybe to the GRC mainline, which I would be reviewing up next or soon, would be on that GRC Max Schnell. I can't wait to get this like GRC over with, but I'm still missing like some, which I'm still planning on getting the McQueen shoe and so on and so forth. The red Mattel logo. Then here the back. So just pretty much shows these are like, it shows the other guys from maybe pretty much the first wave. The first wave consists of McQueen and Mater, including Chick, I guess, from the first case where these guys actually appeared in. Race and Rescue, Radiator Springs, made in Thailand. These were like back in the day. 2025, the last ever year when cars are made in Thailand, surprisingly. And then now they transitioned back to China. And
Oh yeah, I forgot. I just ended
I mean, New China, it's not that complete of a better like change because it still has like those quality problems with like the inkjet printing and all that stuff
your ice cream.
from Thailand. Those Thailandified sort of details.
It's the butchery again.
Okay, so before I mean, like what I said earlier about the before I move on straight on to the main review of this wonderful car, when these guys actually transitioned from Thailand to China, which is kind of strange, which I said, to, like I said in the beginning, like when they were announced that they're actually moving back to China, the cars franchise are actually gonna be switch to China again, which it's kind of bit of a surprise for us collectors. But in personal, once we manage to get these, and once we, I mean, what we once we manage to get the hands of these cars on our hands, I mean, the quality is not that the same, not compared to like old China, like China 2006. Oh no, actually, the Thailand, the quality of Thailand when the cars were still made in Thailand back in 2006, it wasn't that worse. I mean, that's actually my very original chick cakes back there, made in China. As you can see, right? Okay, moving straight along with this main review.
Press view game and then press for players.
I was also planning on getting the silver chick hicks. I wasn't able to get a get a route along in getting it. Fortunate. Why is it so blurry, man? My camera. Um. Maybe what if I switch my light back? There we go. The details are. What's up with my light?
Hurry up.
It's malfunctioning.
Guys, we are broken.
As you can see, like, oh, there we go. We can see couple.
I am broken.
As we all know that like Chickex is mainly the car with tons and loads of sponsors back in the first Cars film. Chickex,
Shut the bad.
Piston Cup, and then a lot of other sponsors. And then sponsors that are not also seen in the finalized version of the film. There's also like that sludgy sort of sponsor. Rally Race 286. Vitaldine. Some sponsors also on the spoiler or wing, whatever you want to call it. Rally Race 286. A lot more sponsors on the roof.
Angel driving the car again. Angel.
And his signature. The roof
Go back. This game is scary.
on the edge of his roof, man, which I
Angel, go back.
completely did not even notice ever since. Lot more going on. Lightyear text on the tires with a combination of
Angel. Go
blue,
back.
dark navy blue sort of color and gray, light gray. I don't know.
Neapolitan.
Same thing goes on the other side.
You're mean.
Moving on to some further on comparisons with my other Chick Kicks.
Oh my god, ew.
There you go. Original one on top and new one on the bottom.
Like, what the frick? I was like wondering if I was supposed to because the car was frozen. Guys, are y'all ew. Oh no.
Uh-huh. And there goes for the original Chick Kicks. Speaking of Chick Kicks, we're going on to Dinoco. It's not really all that the same. It's not really. Since we're in just the topic of Chick Kicks, I decided to show all of his variations. There's like also some factory custom ones like the gold and silver chrome ones, and then the blue and red metallics, which I don't know if I'm gonna be plan on getting those.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I guess so. Maybe in the near future. Dinoco Chick Kicks. And then
Oh gee, I'm in the side. I feel bad.
I would be showing a Chick Kicks look-alike, but it's not actually named Chick Kicks, but the sponsor still remains HTB. I nearly said the store HEB, man. Sometimes some stuff are just very confusing, man. Here's the Cars 3 Chick Kicks, by the way. Same on the hood. Instead of HTB, it's now Chick Kicks 86. And then Chick Kicks text on the tires with yellow rims still remains.
Vanilla, hurry up. Hi, hurry up, bro. Is there what?
Then, like what I said about earlier, I'm gonna be showing a non-Chick Kicks, which is slowly not a non-Chick Kicks variant, but still sponsored by HTB, which is his original sponsor, which is this guy, Rowdy Revenbush, even though or AKA I most likely I consider him. Oh, I'm sorry for the noise in the background, man. Most likely highly considered as next gen Chick Kicks, which I like to call him, which I know, like,
I disconnected.
when I search Pixar Cars Customs, like, there was this one guy, kid-friendly videos, I guess, was his, when he started painting, after the events of after watching Cars 3, the film, started making customs, using spray paints in the beginning and all the way to like just using some dollar store paints. I know he has made his own version of Next Gen Chick, which is from a Jackson Storm, which he just used a lime green, Chick X green sort of paint, which is not really that similar because like the color is way too light, but at least it kind of blends in, but
What's the pig?
he actually puts a huge 86 here on the hood instead of HTB. Even here, same goes on the spoiler, 86. Yeah, instead of HTB on the spoiler or wing. Rookie tail lights, he did not actually bother to put some in the back. I think so. It might as well put some. I guess he already put on the, like, right before he finished, while finishing up his custom. So speaking of chick cakes, let me line up all of my chick cakes to my in my collection. Which chick cakes variation is your favorite? Mine, I still have to go with the original. So there's Rowdy Ravenbush Next Gen for the sponsor, HTB, Dynaco, and then Cars 3. So which one is your favorite? Mine surprisingly has to be Rowdy Ravenbush because I wasn't even expecting for him to be made as a next gen. We're all actually not expecting at all, but that's another sort of explanation. We're all expecting and wanting a next gen document racer, but never so happened. So that's it. So that's that for this video, folks. I can see you on the next video. So this is Disney Pixar Cars fan saying peace.